Hello and welcome to the presentation of ClearSCADA 2017 R2. In this presentation we're going to review some of the key features and customer value that we're bringing. Let's start with the capability of adding independent communications for IP devices. This is quite a big change to the ClearSCADA driver architecture and allows lots of devices to be more smoothly and continuously scanned, which will lead to higher performance, and in particular will lead to a much better performance for low-powered devices, particularly battery-powered ones, where we don't want them to hang on to the communications link for longer than is needed. So there are several major customers that are going to take some real benefits from this. The next major feature we've added is the Decoupled Web Server. ClearSCADA has hitherto required the web server to be part of the ClearSCADA server itself, and this is limited architectures in terms of redundancy and the ability to support multiple systems. Now we have an independent WebEx server based on IIS, which can connect to redundant servers and to multiple servers, and when a user logs on they get the choice now of which system they wish to connect to. Also, we have in ClearSCADA 2017 R2 the management of the SCADA Pack X70 devices. These devices presently will be using DNP3 and also Modbus, and what we've done is extend the DNP3 driver to enable the configuration download of all of the features that these particular devices support. So for example, we can download logic sequences that are being created with Schneider's Unity programming engine, and also we can download the configuration of points and persistencies and all sorts of outstation features. So this will ease the customer experience for managing these RTUs, reduce the need for them to go and visit site, which is one of the key selling points for RTUs themselves over and above conventional automation equipment. A slightly minor feature, but still no less important, is the suppression of event logs, which we've added, which allows on a global basis to specify the maximum number of events in any hour's period that will be logged by the system. This prevents noisy signals from dominating the event log. In a way, it prevents a denial of service from a badly configured or rogue device, which maybe has got a software fault, and it does also enable users to report on that and to control that suppression. So for example, to release the suppression once the problem has been fixed. Another smaller feature is the addition of a password blacklist for when people are using ClearSCADA's inbuilt security objects as opposed to the external Active Directory feature. And the password blacklist allows customers to load their own blacklist files and obviously prevent people from using 123456 or password in a convenient way. We have quite a significant collection of enhancements to the Vuex user interface. Firstly, there is some theming to allow people to pick different colors and tones for the screen. There are also a range of new shortcuts and window control features. Underlying the Vuex enhancements has been a replacement and update of the graphics library that we use for managing Windows. So all these new features will come as part of that and also provide us the ability to extend further as we move forwards. And finally, we've restored inactivity shutdown as a feature into Vuex. So that concludes the presentation, and thank you very much.